Hello guys, here we are again with a new tutorial. Today we are going to show you the tutorial on Spatial Join tool. The Spatial Join tool is the tool that join attributes from one feature to another feature based on the spatial relationship. So let's start. First of all, we will open the Arc toolbox. Just open the Arc toolbox. Here go to Analysis tool, Overlay, then Spatial Join. A new window will open. Now here set the target features, then set the join features, then set the output feature class. Now there is an option join operation. Here there are two options, one is join one to one and one is join one to many. Join one to one means if multiple join features are found that have the same spatial relationship with a single target feature, the attributes from the multiple join features will be aggregated using the field map join tool. Now there is another option join one to many. It means if multiple join features are found that have the same spatial relationship with a single target feature, the output feature class will contain multiple copies. Now, if you want all the target features to be added in the attribute, then check all, keep all the target features. Now, in the field map, all the attribute names will be added here. You can arrange them as per your need. Now there is an option, match option. This part is very crucial. Before selecting any option, read the criteria of every option as per your requirement. This is an important part. Before running the Spatial Join tool, read all the criteria of the options. There are numerous number of options. Read it thoroughly, then choose one of it. Now let's try an option from this. For example, I have here two polygon data which I want to merge. Now let's add both the data into the layer. I have this water body data of an area, but this data does not contain the village name. Here I have to add the village details. For this I have already having the village map of this area. There is no common field between these two features. So what I will do, I will use the Spatial Join tool to add the village name to the water body features. Now let's open the Spatial Join tool. Here I will set the water body features at target features. And join features at village boundaries shapefile. Now I will select a output feature class. And in join operation, I will select as one to many because here one village contains many water bodies. Check on keep all target features. Now all the fields will appear here of both target and join features. If you want, you can rearrange these fields or you can remove any one of the fields. Now at last select the match option as per your need. Here I will choose within as I need only the water bodies which are inside the village boundary data. Now click on OK. The Spatial Join tool will run. It will give you a new feature class. Now open the new feature class. Here you can see that village name occurs, but it contains only those water bodies which are inside the village boundary. So here I will remove all other water bodies, only select those water bodies which have village name because I only need those. Like this, you can join any attributes with spatial relationship, but select carefully the match option by reading all the criteria of the options. Hope you all liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.